Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my video. So right now I'm about to show you how I'm gonna fix this situation I have going on right here. So as you guys can see right now, I went overboard with plucking. My wig is like literally bald right now. This is one of my favorite wig and I just jacked it up, and it's been like this for a while. I just didn't know what to do with it, but now I have an idea and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I decided to create some bangs so I can cover up that bald spot in those holes that I have going on in the front. So keep watching if you want to see how I'm gonna cut my bangs and make this wig cute again. Before I start cutting, I first figure out how thick or thin I want my bangs to be. And once I figure that out, I just start parting in a triangular shape. And it took me a while to get parting right because I had to make sure I get all the bald spots covered in the front. Once that was good, I just cut the bangs. So I make sure to cut my bangs long and slowly cut it into shape. That way I have more control over the hair and I can perfect any mistakes. Right now I'm showing you guys the ends of the hair, and I'm gonna clip just a little bit to get a blunt look. I find that looks better with the bangs. Then I'm gonna proceed to flat iron the hair, and I'll be back with the final results.
nobody else.
this is the final look and I absolutely love it. The bald spots isn't visible whatsoever and the wig isn't even glued to my head right now. I can just literally pull it off. I think this was the best style for this wig. It actually looks brand new and I'm glad I decided not to throw it out. So guys, if you are in a similar situation and your wig is balding, I recommend try cutting some bangs and see how that turned out. Let me know down below what you guys think of this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.